Thank you, Professor Yunus. My name is Nazeemuddin. I'm the chairman of Chattogram Samiti UK. I was born just 2 miles away from your birthplace.
Okay.
So with that disclaimer, I wanted to ask a question to you. Will you seize this opportunity, this moment, to break free from fascist structure and system, and then allow the people to vote for the reforms that you are taking and embed that reform into a constitution, and through referendum, allow people to vote for it? As far as I'm aware, about 20,000 comments that I read on social media, 95% people support your reforms. We don't want to be hostage to political parties. Why don't you just go back directly to civic societies and the people and allow them to vote whether they would like to go ahead and change Bangladesh for the future and make it a real tiger for the world economy. Thank you.
Thank you. I want to be clear. Are you asking for a vote on the charter?
Absolutely. What I'm asking is that July charter, of course, will be a legally binding agreement.
Yeah.
But in order to sustain that reform, it needs to be structurally built in within Constitution.
You'd like a vote on that?
Yeah. Yeah, we heard about that, about having a kind of referendum on the issues that we have. There are so many complicated issues. The argument is referendum will be meaningless because most of the people don't even understand what you're what they're voting for. So people will laugh at it, that it doesn't make any sense. So it's the politicians representing the people, all parties. They are involved in all these political issues and all the national issues, and they're supposed to understand, they're supposed to debate. If they have agreed together, all parties, that's what we are focusing on, all parties, then it's more real than giving it to a referendum of all the package. It's a big package. So this is what the path we took.
Looking to expand your business in the UK? UBM takes care of everything. Company registration, UK bank account, pay, insurance and tenancy. Start with UBM. Expand with confidence.
Referendums have lots of problems with them, as many countries know, but...
You must be referring to something, they're smiling.
But it would answer the point, the challenge to you, that this charter is in some way not democratic. We can come back to that. Let me come to you who stood up. You've been very energetic.
Chief Advisor, welcome to London.
Thank you.
On behalf of British Bangladeshi community, I'm Councillor Saifuddin Khalid. I'm also a practicing barrister, British Bangladeshi practicing barrister in London. I have two questions for you. How confident are you?
Could you possibly have just one?
It's very quick two questions. I'm not going to make a statement. How confident are you that the political and democratic organs will be well equipped to hold a general election, a credible election with level playing field by April 2026?
We'll try our best.
And secondly, British Bangladeshi community would like to have a meeting with you. Do you have a plan to meet British Bangladeshi community who are eagerly waiting to meet and have view exchange with you? Thank you, Chief Advisor.
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting. I wish we could, but our program made such a packed program. We're rushing from one to the other. Thank you so much, but definitely we'll try to keep in touch. Thank you.